Right, today we are doing a jack headphone adapter. This, oh, hopefully anyway, when I open the packet, this is an adapter from Type C to 3.5mm jack plug. So for instance, if you've got a phone that has only a USB Type C connection on it and you want to wear headphones, this might be the baby for you. So with that, shall we do the unboxing? It's only a little pack. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It costs around about £8 or just under £8. And I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So it comes, that's how it comes, in that packet, and that is it. So it's quite small. I think it measures just under 6 inches, and I'll stick in the measurements for you later. So let's have a look at what you get. It says you can. It's got a bend lifespan of up to 10,000 times. So basically, you can bend that 10,000 times, and it should survive. So it's quite small, as you can see. A nice bit of beading on there. You see that? A nice bit of beading. It's got the name of the manufacturer on it. I will do a close-up for you in a second. So yeah, so 3.5mm jack plug and a USB Type C connection on the other end. So it should work on your phone if you've got a Type C connection on your phone, your tablet, your laptop, anything like that has a USB. It should be able to convert it. And also, it also states on the website when I checked it out, it says a powerful DAC ALC 4050 chipset built in, which gives you super noise cancellation technology. So it should be good quality sound. It says it does up to 32-bit, 384 kilohertz. So we will be having a listen to that. In fact, we're going to do it right now. So I have my tablet, this little baby here, and this is quite an old one compared to most modern tablets now. But yeah, I've had this for a few years, and as far as I know, it works fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my headphones and see if I can get any sound out of it. Hopefully we will do. Right, so we're going to have a listen to a bit of music, and I'm going to use one of my videos so I don't get done for copyright. So it's a computer build that I done a few weeks ago. So we're going to have a listen. And I've got just some music playing. Not bad, not bad. What do you mean you can't hear it? Do you want to have a listen? Come here then. The fans. So take the covers off first. Right, so what do you think then? You've had a chance to listen to the sound quality yourself. It will only produce the sound quality that you've actually put on the device in the first place, obviously. So if you have a low quality sound, it will only reproduce a low quality sound. But hopefully the quality that I made on my video should be very good. I do spend quite a bit of time trying to get my sound quality right. I don't always get it right, but I do like to try and do it. And yeah, I had to listen to it myself, and I thought it was excellent quality. Couldn't hear no distortions or nothing. I think it's well made. I like the beading on it. The beading looks nice. It feels like good quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to break. Yeah, and I like the fact you can just plug and play. I plugged it into a tablet and it worked perfectly. So yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up, and hopefully this video get your thumbs up. If it didn't, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, like it. £8, well worth it. If you're looking for a USB Type C to 3.5mm jack plug, this could be the baby for you. Thanks for watching.